Hey folks, welcome back to Software Testing Hacks. Here is a quick update. Here is a TESTMU conference conducted by LambdaTest, and it is a free online conference. This is for all the testers, developers, and who are technology enthusiasts. All of them can register. And if you're a fresher, anyone can register to this free online conference. Basically, this conference is conducted by LambdaTest, and this will be on 21st, okay, of this August to 23rd of August. So totally 3 days a conference will be there. Here, over 60 plus speakers will be there from different companies like Google, Microsoft, Miro, and Infosys, okay, Wipro, all from different companies. The speakers are coming. Over 35 plus sessions are conducted. Okay, already a lot of people from 130 countries have already registered. So here is a beautiful opportunity for you to attend this. So there are very limited seats available. Just go ahead and register for free. So it is very easy. You can just click on register and then fill in your first name, last name, email, and then if you're working, you can put in your company name and designation and register. So that's all done. You will get your pass. Okay. Immediately register and don't forget immediately. I will leave the link for this conference in the description. Go ahead and register immediately.